Hi, it's me, Caribbean Andy. Today we're going to make a whiskey smash. So if you had asked me, anytime before 5 minutes ago, what's the difference between a whiskey smash and a mint julep, I would say lemon. If you'd ask me now, I'd say, I don't know, because I looked up the original recipe for a whiskey smash and it was just whiskey, sugar, and mint. So we're going to do what I thought a whiskey smash was, and we're going to do my little version of it. Honestly, you can just use some fresh lemon juice, but because it's called a smash, I just feel like we should smash all of the ingredients. So we're gonna put you know what, that's good. Put 2 lemon wedges in there, and then pick off some nice big fresh mint leaves. 5 is good. And then you can muddle a sugar cube, but what I actually would like to use today is some honey syrup. I think honey's delicious. And also, honey is, well, sugar's not going to go bad either, but I don't know. I just love having honey around. I just whipped this up. This is 5-to-1 honey to water, and it's with a very nice and probably very expensive local honey that I had at home. 3/4 of an ounce, which I just decided right now. So 2 lemon wedges, 5 mint leaves, 3/4 of an ounce of our honey syrup, and then we're going to use a rye whiskey just for the fun added spice. You obviously don't want to use straight honey. You do want to dilute it so that it dissolves in your cocktail. We're not ready for the rye whiskey yet. Okay, so we have our lemon, our mint, and our honey. And we're just going to gently press and turn. And then let's go ahead and add rye whiskey. We'll do 2.5 ounces of Redemption Rye, which is normal proof. I don't know what you call something that's not overproof. Do you just call it proof? It's 46% alcohol, so it's not nothing. We'll ice this glass. And you can build this in your tin. You don't have to use a mixing glass. I just did that for the visual effect of the video. We're gonna serve this on the rocks over a big rock. And then it's very important to me, you could just dump this all in there, but I like to double strain things like this. Because personally, I don't like leaves and peels and things floating around in my cocktails. Things that will hit me in the teeth. And then let's trim this. I guess maybe I could have done this before. Gotta slap it, of course. Wouldn't be a bartender if I didn't obnoxiously slap the mint. And then I have a little lemon slice, which I feel like you never see anywhere ever. I'm just gonna lay it on top of this ice cube because, I don't know, I think that's funny. No, you know what? I'm gonna tuck it on the side. Yeah, see? Now that's a cocktail. I do like herbs as a garnish because you smell them in it. It changes things. This smells so good. You can really smell the honey. I wanted to do this drink because I feel like a lot of summer cocktails are made with tequila or gin, vodka even. And I wanted to do a summer cocktail with brown liquor. And I think that this is perfect. It's super refreshing and definitely packs a punch. So here you have it. Whiskey smash with Redemption Rye, fresh mint, lemon, and honey syrup.